Welcome back to the Hill Levy Financial Network. Today I'm breaking down the system that has helped thousands of people rebuild their finances, fix their credit, and start building real wealth. It's called the Four Pockets Wealth System, and once you understand it, you'll never look at money the same way again. This isn't theory. This is the exact framework we use inside Hill Levy to help families, entrepreneurs, and everyday people take control of their financial lives. Let's get into it. The Four Pockets Wealth System is built on one simple truth. Wealth is not built in one place. It's built across four financial pockets that work together. Those pockets are: Pocket 1, credit your foundation, your leverage, your access to opportunity. Pocket 2, cash flow your income, your budget, your spending discipline. Pocket 3, capital your funding, your business credit, your ability to scale. Pocket 4, commerce your business, your investments, your long-term wealth engine. When these four pockets are aligned, your financial life becomes predictable, scalable, and stable. When they're not aligned, everything feels like a struggle. Let's start with cash flow, because this is where most people lose the game. Cash flow mastery means knowing what comes in, knowing what goes out, controlling the gap, and expanding the gap over time. Most people don't have a money problem, they have a cash flow management problem. Here's the formula we teach. Cash flow, chalk income, obligations, lifestyle. If your lifestyle is bigger than your income, you're drowning. If your obligations are bigger than your income, you're trapped. But if your income is bigger than both, you're free. Cash flow mastery is the engine that powers the other three pockets. Now let's talk about wealth sequencing, the order in which you build wealth. Most people try to skip steps. They want to invest before they fix their credit. They want to start a business before they fix their cash flow. They want funding before they build structure. That's why they fail. Here's the correct sequence. Step 1. Fix your credit. Clean it. Build it. Stabilize it. Step 2. Master your cash flow budget. Track. Automate. Step 3. Build capital funding. Business credit. Lines of credit. Step 4. Build commerce. Start the business. Invest. Scale. When you follow the sequence, everything becomes easier. When you break the sequence, everything becomes harder. Let me give you two real examples of how the Four Pocket System works in real life. Case Study 1, The Rebuilder. A client came in with CUD, ID pays, bad credit, high utilization, no savings, no business. We fixed their credit first, then we cleaned their cash flow, then we built business credit, then we launched a small cleaning business. Within 12 months, 720 credit score, $40,000 in funding, $6,000 month in business income. That's the Four Pocket System in action. Case Study 2, The Entrepreneur. Another client had bai, good income, bad credit, no structure, no funding. We rebuilt their credit. We structured their LLC, we built their business credit, we secured $80,000 in capital, now they run a profitable trucking company. Again, water credits, dan des predenden, woody they wordy one chirper stir bar beat, bubardi kan bardin gerdi one bucker stars, soli one, what bardin dan, causa detcher, verdi deradam. The band then, bay wadin dandestem works because it's sequenced. Inside the Four Pockets Wealth System, we include action worksheets that help you apply everything you learn. These worksheets include credit repair checklist, cash flow tracker, funding readiness checklist, business formation roadmap, monthly wealth planner, 90-day action plan. These tools turn information into transformation. If you're ready to take control of your finances, fix your credit, build your business, and start creating real wealth, the Four Pockets Wealth System is your blueprint. Join the Hill Levy Academy. Download the worksheets and start your journey today. I'll see you in the next episode.